Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the dialogue modes with your virtual assistant on XPeng vehicle. So I am using the XPeng P7 Performance. Now you guys need to go over here at the bottom and go to the voice assistant. Here, what are we gonna do is we're gonna go and here we have the dialogue modes. Now, if you need a one task only, then single turn is for you. But if you like to give the voice assistant a couple of those tasks, then I would recommend using the multi-turn, because then it will listen continuously even after a random task is completed. So this is very important. That's how you guys can easily set it up. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.